What is up, everybody? I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know that Entertainment Earth has Black Series Darth Revan not in stock, but up for pre-order for $21.99, which is basically almost retail, $2 above. Looks like it's going to be shipping in September. But yeah, a great way to get a figure that's going for easily double that, even close to triple that on eBay. So good way to get a good figure for a good price. Just want to let you guys know. I have another video coming out soon of my Lego minifigures for Star Wars. Shot that today. I haven't edited it yet at all, but it's coming soon. Thanks for watching. I am out.